FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, we're going to talk about the straightaway trade. Alright, we're going to talk about how you can catch it, how it's developed, and we're going to get into the details about it. And I'm going to show you, as you can see on the screen, a live trade that I did with it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so some of you may know what this is, some of you may not. But what is a straightaway trade? Okay, a straightaway trade is essentially a trade that is developed off of a peak formation high or peak formation low. Alright, and it's typically done out of level 1. I'm going to show you two examples here recently that this happened on, so you can get some fresh data to look at. But essentially, on this pair, pound CAD, you can see essentially we had price work all the way down to a peak formation low here. Okay, you can see a nice big W here, and then we moved essentially from this W here. If we zoom into it a little bit, you can see we moved in from that W. Basically, we called a type 1 formation out of the London session here up, and then essentially what ended up happening is this basically creates the first level, okay, out of this peak formation low. Now what happens is, out of this peak formation low and you get the first level, on the very next day a straightaway trade is possible. And what a straightaway trade is, literally, is when the pair actually just moves right out of the box. It doesn't stop to think about anything. It literally just moves straight up, and that's why it's called a straightaway trade. Now, a couple things. Straightaway trades are typically type 3 setups, so they typically move from the middle of the range. Okay, so that's one. Two is I've only seen them happen on level 1. And then 3, I've only also seen them off of a peak formation high or low. Okay, so those are the big 3 things that I've noticed about these straightaway trades. Okay, so again, just a recap of what a straightaway trade is. It happens off of a peak formation high or low, and it happens basically off of level 1. Alright, and it literally, as you can see here, it didn't waste any time. Right out of the box, 2-3 candles out of the box, and then it went and it's gone. And it's gone for a while. You can see, you can keep it as basically a swing trade for like a day and a half so far. Okay, so that's what a straightaway trade is. I'm going to show you another one actually on Euro USD that happened so here's another one that happened on Euro USD, and again, same kind of scenario here. Peak formation low, and then you go right into level 1, and here's another one. Again, right out of the gate, you can see there's no hesitation, no thinking about it. It literally just goes, and it just goes on for a couple days, for at least a day, a whole day, and then half of another one. But this is another example of a straightaway trade. Again, off of the peak formation low, comes right into level 1, and then it just goes. So these trades here, are going to be some very good trades to take if you can become proficient, if you can become consistent at identifying basically peak formation low. Okay, if you can identify peak formation low, these are trades that you can potentially catch. You just have to be prepared for it, because it doesn't happen, at the normal timing of what we talked about, between that trading zone. It happens way before. This happens literally like 2:15, 2:30, before even the London session opens, and it just goes and it doesn't come back, and it doesn't basically allow you to get a setup from it either. So either you catch it or you don't. Here's another example on pound USD. Very same thing. Peak formation low comes into play, goes up to type to a level 1 consolidation, and then as you can see, type 3 setup right out of the box, like 2:30, 2:45, and it's gone for a day and a half. So here's another example here. And so these moves, they're well over 100 pips on these moves here. So if you can catch them, it's a really good swing trade to hold. But there's another example on pound USD. Here's another one on euro pound. Here's a peak formation high here as it's formed, and then here's level 1 right here, and you can see right out of level 1, it's literally 3 candles out and then straight down, and you can hold it. There you go, so far for over a day and a half. So there's another one right there. Again, just a reminder, guys. So peak formation high or low, level 1 consolidation. Okay, and it literally happens right out of the box. Does it happen all the time? No, it does not happen all the time. All right, but if you can identify peak formation high or low and just watch and be patient and just watch that first level, there could be a setup there for a straightaway trade. Okay, so those are straightaway trades, guys. Those are some examples of what they look like. Again, peak formation high or low, a type 3 setup right out of the box, between I would say 2 to 2:45 is the setup time, and they don't leave room for anything else, because when they go, they just go. They don't come back. Alright, guys, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for visiting us. Please consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate your support. And if you want to join us in our free Telegram chat, just go ahead and join us at fxntrading.com and sign up for a free membership, and we'd love to have you there. Guys, thank you so much, and have a great night. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntradinggroup.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.